In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Ahrefs history effectively and safely. Let's take a closer look at this straightforward process to ensure everything's handled correctly. If you're looking to clean up your Ahrefs workspace by removing old or unnecessary projects, you're in the right place. Being able to manage your dashboard efficiently is key to keeping your digital marketing tasks organized and clutter-free. Let's dive right into the simple steps you need to follow to delete a project completely from your Ahrefs dashboard. To begin with, open up your Ahrefs account and navigate to your dashboard. Here, you'll find a list of all your projects laid out neatly on the screen. It's important to carefully locate the specific project you want to remove from your list. Make sure you've selected the correct one, as this action cannot be undone. Once you've identified your target project, direct your attention to the project card where the project is displayed. Now, on this project card, look for the three-dot menu, which is often referred to as the More Options menu. You'll find this icon usually positioned in the corner of the project card. It looks like three vertical dots, commonly known as the kebab menu. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various actions available for the project. From this drop-down menu, you will see the option to delete the project. Click on Delete to initiate the process of removing the project from your dashboard. At this point, Ahrefs will prompt you to confirm your action, as deleting a project is permanent. You'll be presented with three confirmation boxes. It's crucial to read these carefully, as they ensure you understand the implications of the deletion. Check all three boxes to confirm your awareness, and consent to proceed. This step is designed to prevent accidental deletion and to make sure you're fully aware of the consequences, including the loss of data associated with this particular project. Once you've checked all three confirmation boxes, you can finalize the deletion. Your project will now be removed from your Ahrefs dashboard, helping you maintain a streamlined and efficient workspace. That's all it takes to delete a project from Ahrefs. By following these steps, you can ensure your dashboard remains organized without any unnecessary clutter. This not only improves efficiency, but also allows you to focus on the projects that matter most. Remember, always double-check before you delete to avoid losing any important information. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.